What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Spaceid, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at just over 69 cents guys. So what we're going to be going through is it time to buy Spaceid right now? Is it too late? Or if you're holding at the moment, is it time to sell it, taking out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, looking at how high this crypto can essentially go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? There has been a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market is up over 3% in the last 24 hours, which is good news. And as you guys can see here, Bitcoin is nearly hitting $31,000. So today's focus is on Spaceid. As you can see, in the last hour, it has gained over 2%. Over the last day, over 30%. Over the week, 53%. And over the month, is an overall 37% up. And yes, guys, this crypto was only launched on the 22nd of March, which was just about 3 weeks ago approximately. As you can see, it's been quite volatile, but right now it has taken a major pump. But yeah, on the 12th, 13th and 14th, which is today, so far it has been performing very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 300%, making it $720 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Spaceid. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is gaining a lot of attention. It's one of the top gainers, so it is gaining a lot of attention. More and more people are looking into the project, including myself. And again, I have seen some of you guys commenting on my previous Spaceid video saying you're investing into it, you're holding on to it, so on and so on. So on the screen right now, we are looking at the Binance website, and as you can see, top gainer coin and Spaceid is the second top gainer on Binance, which is huge. And again, we're gonna get straight into it. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart here, and as you can see, we will be getting out the MACD indicator and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, I just want to say this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So on the screen right now, we are going to quickly draw the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide it. So as you can see guys, we are looking at the 15-minute chart, and it's gone for a major increase in value. However, when I go to the daily chart, there's literally only a few candlesticks here. Literally, we can count it, and that only means we won't be able to do the long-term prediction, because we don't have much data for us to do the long-term prediction on this specific crypto, only because it was launched on the 22nd of March 2023, meaning we're going to have to stick to the short-term prediction over the next couple of hours, days, and potentially over the next few weeks as well. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart, and as you guys can see here, we do have the orange line running across the background here, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of this crypto Spaceid, which is here at just about 67 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 69 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's get straight into it guys. On the top here, we've also got the SMA indicator if you guys want a visual representation of that. So looking at the 15-minute chart, as you can see, we've got the orange line heading upwards, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the next 4 to 6 hours. We should expect the crypto to head just above 70 cents, potentially hitting 72 to 74 cents is what I'm expecting this afternoon. However, moving on to the hourly chart later on this evening, as you can see, the line is not looking bullish anymore. It's literally flat out going in a straight line, meaning it's likely to drop back down in value later on this evening, dropping down to around 67 to 69 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Spaceid towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So yes guys, Do expect it to be quite volatile, up and down all over the place, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, more or less trading around 69 cents towards the end of the day today is what I'm expecting. But again guys, it depends on how the crypto market performs. So far today and yesterday has been performing quite well, moving towards the positive direction. Now moving on to the 4-hour chart. So over the next couple of days, what can we see here? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next week or so. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting once again an overall increase in value from Spaceid, potentially hitting about 75 to 77 cents is what my predictions are by the end of next week. However, that does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit red days, green days, up and down, but once again the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So again guys, do expect an overall increase in value. However, due to the fact that there's not much data on this crypto, it could go either way. So if you guys want regular updates on Spaceid, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto, about 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how often you guys want it. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Spaceid. We're not going to go into the long term as I mentioned earlier. For example, if I do move on to the daily chart, as you can see here, there's not much data, meaning it's not going to be accurate if I do the long term prediction. And as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information, so we are going to stick to the maximum 4-hour chart. So what we are going to do now is get this chart up, and as you can see, the highest it's been was around 80 cents, and this was when it initially got launched. So that's what we're going to be using as our high point, and the lowest point we're going to be using is about 3 cents or 38 cents even, sorry. That's where it was at its lowest point. And as you guys can see here, we are still trading in the red zone, and to hit the green zone here, or the resistance target, we're going to have to hit 23 cents. And again, that's not where we are at the moment. Not 23 cents, sorry, what am I talking about? We're gonna have to hit 47 cents, which we should be able to hopefully hit towards mid to late next week. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Spaceid, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.